A business scenario is a standard description of real business problems, the business and technology environment in which those problems occur, value chains enabled by capabilities, the desired outcome or outcomes of proper execution, and the human and computing components, also known as the actors who provide the capabilities. A business scenario is not a use case, a business case, a business scenario plan, solely focused on IT, or solely focused on the end game. Achieving the desired business outcomes is the end game of a business scenario. In summary, a good business scenario represents a significant business need or problem and enables vendors to understand the value of a solution to the customer.